welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see question 3 of exercise 3.2. So question is on comparing the ratio A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. So in this question we have to classify the given equation in consistent or inconsistent. So for that we have to use the relation between the coefficients. So first of all we have to find these three ratio. So first we find A1 upon A2. But here the equation is not given in a standard form. So first of all we have to convert equation in standard form. So 3x plus 2y and 2y and 5 goes left side, so it becomes minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the first equation we convert in a standard form. Similarly second equation, 2x minus 3y, 7 goes in a left side, so it becomes minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of both equations. Now we have to find A1 upon A2. So from here A1 3 and A2 2. So it becomes 3 upon 2. Now here factor not possible of 3 and 2. So the same answer 3 upon 2. Now second ratio B1 upon B2. From here B1 plus 2 and from here B2 minus 3. So 2 upon minus 3. Thereafter C1 upon C2. From here C1 minus 5 and C2 minus 7. So minus 5 upon minus 7. So this is our C1 upon C2. From here minus minus cancel. So it becomes 5 upon 7. Now observe that all three answers and compare. A1 upon A2 is equal to 3 upon 2 and B1 upon B2 2 upon minus 3. So this is a different answer. So here we can say A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. Hence the given pair of linear equation are consistent. So this is the first answer. The given pair of linear equations are consistent because we get A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. That's why it is consistent equation. Okay, now let's see second number. In second number, first equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and second equation 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. So here equation is not given in a standard form. So first we convert into standard form. So 2x minus 3y. Now 8 goes to left side, so it becomes negative. So minus 8 is equal to 0. And similarly second equation 4x minus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So this is the standard form. Now we have to find ratio. First A1 upon A2. From here A1 2 and A2 4. So 2 upon 4. Now here factor 2 to the 4. So it becomes 1 upon 2. Now we have to find second ratio. B1 upon B2. From here B1 minus 3 and B2 minus 6. So minus 3 upon minus 6. Minus minus cancel and 3 to the 6. So it is also become 1 upon 2. Now third ratio C1 upon C2. From here C1 minus 8 and C2 minus 9. So minus 8 upon minus 9. Minus minus will be cancelled and 8 upon 9 as it is. So here we observe that first two ratio A1 upon A2 and B1 upon B2 are equal. So here A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2, and third answer different. So we can say not equal to C1 upon C2. Hence, the given pair of linear equation are inconsistent. So this is the second answer. If condition we get A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2, then the given equation are inconsistent. Now let's see the third number. 3 upon 2x plus 5 upon 3y is equal to 7. And second equation 9x minus 10y is equal to 14. So here both equations not given in a standard form. So first condition convert into standard form. So here it is a fraction given. So we convert into simple number. For that we have to take 2 and 3. So here 2 and 3. So LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we multiply the whole equation by 6. 6 multiply 3 upon 2 x plus 6 multiply 5 upon 3 y is equal to 6 multiply by 7. हमने पूरे इक्वेशन को 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया है. Now from here 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6. So next step 3 multiply 3 it become 9x and 2 5s are 10y is equal to 42. 6 7s are 42. Now 42 move left side. So 9x minus plus 10y minus 42 is equal to 0. So this is the first equation in a standard form. Now second equation. 9x minus 10y 14 इस तरफ आ जाएगा. So minus 14 is equal to 0. So this is the second equation. Now we have to find ratio. First we find A1 upon A2. From here A1 9 and here A2 9. So 9 upon 9 and 9 cancel, so answer will be 1. Then second ratio B1 upon B2. From here B1 10 and from here B2 minus 10. So 10 upon minus 10. From here 10 cancel, so answer minus 1. Now third ratio C1 upon C2. From here C1 minus 42 and C2 minus 40. So minus 42 upon minus 40. Minus will be cancelled and 14 3s are 42. So answer 3. So here we observe that first ratio A1 A2 is equal to 1. Second ratio B1 upon B2 is equal to minus 1. And third ratio C1 upon C2 is equal to 3. So all the three answers are different. So we can say these two are not equal. Here A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. अगर पहले दो रेशियो डिफरेंट आए तो हमें थर्ड की कंपैरिजन नहीं करनी. अगर फर्स्ट टू इक्वल आए तभी हमें थर्ड को कंपेयर करना है. So here A1 upon A2 not equal to B1 upon B2. So the given equation are consistent. Hence the given pair of linear equations are consistent. So this is now let's see the fourth number. So in fourth number, first equation 5x minus 3y is equal to 11. Now we convert into standard form. So it becomes 5x minus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. Now second equation. In second equation, minus 10x plus 6y is equal to minus 22. Here the first variable minus given. Here x is given negative. So we take it into other side. So minus 10x को हम उस तरफ ले जाएंगे तो बन जाएगा plus 10x. So here 0 is equal to minus 22. माइनस 10x उस तरफ चला जाएगा तो बन जाएगा प्लस 10x और 6y उस तरफ चला जाएगा तो हो जाएगा माइनस 6y. नाउ वी राइट इन अ प्रॉपर वे. सो x को पहले लिखते हैं 10x, देन माइनस 6y एंड माइनस 22 इज इक्वल टू 0. नाउ वी हैव टू राइट इन अ प्रॉपर वे. सो इट बिकम 10x minus 6y minus 22 is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of second equation. Now we find the ratio. First a1 upon a2. From here a1 5 and a2 10. So 5 upon 10 factor 5 2s are 10. So it becomes 1 upon 2. Then after second ratio b1 upon b2. From here b1 minus 3 and b2 minus 6. So minus 3 upon minus 6. Minus minus will be cancelled and 3 2s are 6. So it becomes 1 upon 2. Now third ratio c1 upon c2. Third ratio from c1 minus 11 and c2 minus 22. So minus 11 upon minus 22. Minus minus will be cancelled. And 11 2s are 22. So it becomes 1 upon 2. So here we observe that all the three ratios 1 upon 2, here also 1 upon 2 and here also 1 upon 2. So we can say a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. So we get this condition. So the given pair of linear equations are consistent as well as dependent. Hence, the given pair of linear equation is consistent and dependent. So we have to remember when this condition is given, the equations are consistent and dependent. Now let's see the fifth number. So in fifth number, first equation 4 upon 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. Here equation is not given in a standard form, so we convert into standard form. So here 4 upon 3. Upon 3 is given. So we take LCM 3. So we have to multiply with 3 whole equation. 3 multiply 4 upon 3x plus 3 multiply 2y and is equal to 3 multiply 8. We have to multiply with 3 all whole the equation. From here 3 cut. So 4 multiply x 4x, 3 multiply 2y it becomes 6y and is equal to 3 8s are 24. Now 24 move other side, so it becomes negative 24. 4x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to 0. So this is the first equation. Now second equation 2x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is our second equation. Now we have to find the ratio a1 upon a2. So 4 upon 2. Now 2 to the 4, 2 will cancel, so answer 2. Then second ratio B1 upon B2. From here B1 6 and B2 3. 6 upon 3. Again 3 to the 6, so answer will be 2. Now C1 minus 24 and C2 minus 12. So C1 upon C2 is equal to minus 24 upon minus 12. Minus minus will be cancelled and 12 to the 24. So again answer 2. So here in all the ratio we get answer 2. So we can say here A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2. Hence, the given pair of linear equation is consistent and dependent. So this is a fifth answer.